Today we're going to learn how to graph higher order polynomials. We've already learned how to graph linear equations and quadratic equations. Those are parabolas. This slide you don't need to write down. I just want to talk through it with you. You will get some practice. So this first function over on the left is a linear function. Its shape is a line. The degree is either a 0 or a 1. The second one you've already learned how to graph is a parabola. Parabolas can open up, can open down in our class. The function looks like this, x squared. We call it a quadratic. The shape is a U or a parabola and its degree is a 2. Now here on is what I do want you to write down. When you have a function that is f of x equals x cubed, we call this a cubic. Its shape is a snake or an S, and the degree is a 3. Where that degree comes from is the highest terms polynomials number the exponent, so that's a cubic. And here's what an example would look like. The shape is a snake. So you should write that down, the third example here. Two more to talk about. When you have a function, and now it's x to the 4th, what you call it is a quartic. It looks like a W or an M. The degree is a 4. So the W would look like this, or if you had an M, it might look something like that, opening down. The last one is what we call a quintic function. F of x equals x to the 5th. The name of it is called a quintic. The shape goes back to the snake. So anything that is an odd function is going to be the shape of a snake or an S. The degree is a 5. I just kind of flipped this snake around the other direction. So again, you should be writing down 3 examples here. The cubic, the quartic, and the quintic.